Forget walking. These 5 at-home exercises rebuild leg strength faster than you think. Do you ever feel like your legs are getting weaker, even though you walk every day? Maybe climbing stairs feels harder than before. Maybe standing up from a chair takes more effort. Or maybe your knees and thighs feel tired even after a short walk. If that's happening, don't worry. You're not alone. Many people believe walking is enough to keep their legs strong. Yes, walking is healthy. It's great for your heart, lungs, and overall movement. But here's the truth. Walking alone is not enough to rebuild or maintain strong leg muscles. Shocked? Let's understand why. Why walking is not enough. Walking is a low-impact activity. It mostly works your legs in a light and repetitive way. It burns calories and keeps joints moving. But it doesn't give your muscles a strong challenge. Your legs have large and powerful muscles, like your quadriceps, front thighs, hamstrings, back thighs, glutes, hips and butt, and calves. To make these muscles stronger, they need resistance, something that pushes them to work harder than usual. Walking doesn't provide that resistance. It's like lifting a pencil and expecting your arms to get stronger. It's movement, yes, but not strength training. What happens when leg muscles get weak? When you don't use your muscles enough, or you only walk without strengthening them, these things start to happen. Climbing stairs becomes difficult. Standing up from the floor or chair feels harder. Knees start hurting due to weak support. Balance becomes unstable, leading to more chances of falling. Bones become weaker because muscles are not pulling and strengthening them. And if someone is above 40 or 50, this process becomes even faster. This is called muscle loss with age or sarcopenia. From the age of 30, your body slowly starts losing muscle every year if you don't use them properly. After 50, muscle loss increases even more. So yes, simply walking is not enough to stop this. So what's the solution? You don't need a gym. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need to run or lift heavy weights. All you need is a few simple at-home exercises that target your leg muscles directly. These exercises don't take more than 15-20 minutes a day, and most importantly, they are safe. You can do them without equipment. They are more powerful than walking when it comes to building leg strength. The 5 best at-home exercises to rebuild leg strength. Squats, sit to stand, perfect for thighs, hips, and knees. Lunges, builds balance and power in both legs. Glute bridge, strengthens hips, lower back, and hamstrings. Calf raises, helps with walking, jumping, and balance. Wall sit, burns fat, builds endurance, and makes thighs stronger. These exercises work your legs more effectively than walking. They help rebuild the lost strength, support your joints, and improve your everyday movement. Why strong legs matter so much. Strong legs don't just make you look fit, they change your life in so many ways. Here's how. You walk faster and longer without getting tired. You climb stairs easily. You sit and stand without using your hands. You stay active and independent as you age. You reduce knee pain and joint stress. You improve blood circulation and reduce swelling in legs. You protect yourself from falls and injuries. Your legs are the foundation of your body. If they are weak, everything becomes harder. The science behind it, but simply explained. When you do strength exercises like squats or lunges, your muscles create micro tears, small, harmless damages. Your body repairs them, making your muscles stronger and bigger. This makes your bones stronger too. Your balance, coordination, and energy improve. But when you only walk, those muscle fibers don't get challenged enough. So the body doesn't feel the need to grow stronger. Just like if a student is only asked easy questions, they never learn more. Good news. It's never too late. Whether you're 20, 40, 60, or even 70 plus years old, you can still build leg strength. It doesn't matter if you haven't exercised in years, you feel too weak, you have mild knee pain, you think you're too old to start. Your muscles can grow and become strong again with the right movements. You just need a little consistency and the right guidance. The most important leg exercise you can do at home. Let's start with one of the most powerful and natural leg exercises, squats, also known as sit to stand. This is the same movement we do every single day, when we sit on a chair and stand back up. But when done properly as an exercise, it becomes a powerful tool to build strong thighs, hips, and knees. Why squats are so important. Because squats strengthen your thigh muscles, quadriceps, activate your hamstrings and glutes, hips and butt, support your knees and lower back, improve your balance and mobility. Help in daily movements like sitting, climbing stairs, or lifting something from the floor. Even people who are 30, 40, 50, 60, or 70 plus can safely do sit-to-stand squats with the help of a chair. How to do chair squats. Sit to stand. Step by step. This version is perfect for beginners, seniors, or anyone with weak knees. Step 1. Set up. Take a normal chair, not too soft or too low. Sit on the chair with your back straight and feet flat on the floor. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Slightly lean forward. This helps maintain balance. Step 2. Stand up. Push through your heels, not your toes. Slowly lift your body up until you're standing straight. Keep your back straight. Don't bend or round your spine. Step 3. Sit back down. Slowly bend your knees and lower your body back toward the chair. Gently touch the chair. Don't drop or fall down quickly. This slow movement builds more strength. That's 1 rep, repetition. How many reps and sets to do? For beginners, 8 to 10 repetitions, 2 to 3 sets. Rest 30-60 seconds between each set. For seniors or those with weak legs, start with 5 repetitions, do 1 or 2 sets. Take rest whenever needed. Slow and controlled movements are more important than speed. Breathing, very important. While standing up, breathe out. While sitting down, breathe in. Never hold your breath. It can increase blood pressure and cause dizziness. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake why it's wrong. How to fix it. Knees moving inward. Puts pressure on knee joints. Keep knees in line with toes. Bending spine can hurt your lower back. Keep your chest up and back straight. Using only toes. Reduces balance and strains. Knees. Push from heels. Dropping quickly on chair. No strength building. Lower slowly and under control. Squats without chair for intermediate level. Once you feel stronger, you can try bodyweight squats without a chair. How to do it. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up and back straight. Slowly push your hips back like you're about to sit on a chair. Bend your knees until your thighs are almost parallel to the floor or as low as comfortable. Push through your heels and stand back up. Tip: keep your arms straight in front of you for better balance. Safety. Tips for people with knee pain. You don't need to go too low, just halfway is fine. Use a chair or table for support. Apply warm compression to knees before starting if they feel stiff. Avoid fast or jerky movements. Why this exercise works so well. Squats use multiple muscles at the same time. This is called a compound movement. They improve your strength because your muscles push against gravity. Stability, because all leg muscles work together. Balance, because your core muscles also activate to prevent falling. Even athletes, soldiers, and physical therapists use squats as a basic training exercise. Real-life benefits of doing squats. Daily after 2 to 3 weeks of practice, most people notice. Standing up from a chair becomes easier. Walking speed improves, knee and thigh pain reduces over time. Stairs no longer feel like a challenge. Legs feel more stable and firm. Start small, stay consistent. You don't need to do 100 squats on the first day. Even 5 squats a day can be your starting point. The goal is consistency, not perfection. Small progress every day leads to big results over time. These exercises will help you build balance, leg power, and hip strength, areas that walking alone can't improve deeply. Exercise 1. Lunges. Why lunges are important. They train each leg separately, unlike squats. They improve balance and stability. They strengthen thighs, hips, glutes, and even your core muscles. They help in daily movements like walking upstairs, bending, or taking big steps. How to do a basic forward lunge, step by step. Stand straight with feet hip width apart. Step forward with your right leg. Bend both knees slowly. Front knee should be above your ankle. Back knee should come close to the ground, but not touch. Push back up and return to standing position. Repeat with the left leg. That's 1 rep per leg. Breathing pattern. Step forward and lower your body. Breathe in. Push back up to standing. Breathe out. How many lunges should you do? Level reps per leg. Sets. Beginner, 6 to 8. 2, intermediate, 10 to 12. 3, seniors, yash, weak knees. 4 to 5, hold wall or chair. 1 to 2, common mistakes to avoid mistake. Problem caused. How to fix. Knee goes past toes. Knee pain and pressure. Keep knee above ankle. Bending forward too much can hurt lower back. Keep chest up, back straight. Dropping too fast. No muscle control. Move slowly and with control. Feet on same line. Poor balance. Keep feet hip width apart. Modifications for beginners or seniors. Chair-assisted lunges. Hold the back of a chair or wall for balance. Half lunges. Only bend knees halfway. No need to go deep. Reverse lunges. Easier on knees. Step backward instead of forward. Reduces knee pressure. Why lunges work? Simple explanation. When you lunge, your front leg supports most of your weight. Your thigh muscles, quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes all work together to push you back up. At the same time, your core muscles help you balance. That's why lunges are great for coordination. Exercise. 2. Glute bridge. Great for hips, back, hamstrings. If you sit for long hours, have lower back pain, or weak hips, this exercise is perfect for you. How to do a glute bridge. Step by step, lie on your back on a mat or bed. Bend your knees and keep your feet flat on the floor. Hip width apart. Arms flat by your sides. Lift your hips up slowly by squeezing your glute muscles. Butt. Your body should form a straight line, from shoulders to knees. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Slowly lower your hips back to the floor. That's 1 rep. Breathing pattern. While lifting hips, breathe out. While coming down, breathe in. How many reps and sets? Level reps, sets. Beginner 10-12. 2 intermediate 15, 3 seniors. 6, 8, 1, 2, common mistakes to avoid mistake. Why it's wrong. Correction. Arching lower back. Can cause pain. Keep stomach tight. Lift from hips. Feet too far close. Reduces muscle activation. Knees should be 90 degrees when lifted. Not squeezing glutes. Less muscle strength. Actively squeeze hips and butt. Lifting too fast. No control. Slow and smooth movement. Benefits of glute bridge. Strengthens glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. Reduces lower back pain and hip stiffness. Improves posture and pelvis alignment. Activates core muscles. Improves stability. Helps you get up from bed, chair, or floor more easily. Variations when you get stronger. Single leg glute bridge. Lift one leg in the air while doing the hip raise. Trains each leg separately. Mini bridge hold, isometric. Lift your hips and hold for 20-30 seconds. Bridge with pillow or ball between knees. Squeeze pillow while lifting hips. Strengthens inner thighs. Real-life benefits of lunges, plus glute bridge. Together. After 2 to 3 weeks of practice, you may notice improved balance and stability while walking, stronger thighs and hips, less knee pressure because muscles support the joints, reduced lower back pain, easier stair climbing and standing up. Small reminder. Progress takes time. You don't need to be perfect on day 1. Focus on proper form, not speed. Start with small reps. Take rest if you feel pain or tired. Stay consistent. Even 10 minutes daily is enough. Exercise. Calf raises. Exercise 5. Wall sit. You've learned 3 powerful leg exercises: squats, lunges, and glute bridge. Now, in this final part, we will cover the last 2 exercises that complete your leg strengthening routine. Exercise 1. Calf raises exercise. 2. Wall sit or chair hold. Plus, a simple daily workout plan you can follow at home. Exercise 3. Calf raises. Your calf muscles are located at the back of your lower legs, below the knee and above the ankle. These muscles help you walk, jump, balance, climb stairs, and even stand for long hours. Weak calf muscles can lead to foot and ankle pain, poor balance, slow walking speed, increased risk of tripping. The good news? Calf raises are one of the simplest exercises ever, and you can do them anywhere, even while brushing your teeth. How to do calf raises, step by step. Stand straight with your feet hip width apart. Hold a wall, chair, or table for balance if needed. Slowly rise up on your toes. Lift your heels off the ground. Pause for 1 to 2 seconds at the top. Slowly lower your heels back to the floor. That's 1 rep. How many to do? Level reps, sets, beginner. 10, 12, 2. Intermediate, 15, 20. 3 seniors, 6 to 8, holding something for support. 1 toward 2. Breathing while lifting heels, breathe out. While lowering down, breathe in common mistakes to avoid mistake. Problem solution, bouncing quickly. No muscle building. Move slowly and controlled, heels not fully lowered. Incomplete stretch. Touch ground fully, each rep. Knees locked. Risk of strain. Slightly bend, knees. Benefits of strong calf muscles. Better balance and coordination. Walk longer distances without pain. Less ankle and foot swelling. Stronger Achilles tendon and lower leg bones. Support for knees and hips. Exercise. 3. Wall sit or chair hold. This is a powerful isometric exercise, meaning you hold your muscles in one position without moving. It burns fat, improves muscle endurance, and makes your thighs very strong, all without jumping or lifting weights. How to do a wall sit. Step by step. Stand with your back against a wall. Take a small step forward, about 1-2 feet. Slide your back down the wall like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Your knees should be at a 90-degree angle, or slightly higher if 90-degree is hard. Keep your back flat against the wall and arms relaxed at your sides or crossed. Hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds, or as long as comfortable. Slowly rise back up to standing. How long should you hold it? Level hold time sets. Beginner 10 to 15 seconds, 2. Intermediate 20-30 seconds, 3. Advanced 45 to 60 seconds, 3 to 4. If wall sit is difficult, try chair. Hold, sit on a chair, but don't rest fully. Keep your back straight and hover slightly above the seat. Hold for 10-20 seconds. Stand up and repeat. Benefits of wall. Sit strengthens thighs, hips, and calves. Improves stamina and muscle endurance. Protects knees by strengthening support muscles. Builds mental focus and discipline. Burns fat without running or jumping. Your simple daily leg workout plan. You don't need to do all exercises every day. Here is an easy and safe weekly plan you can follow. Day 1, 3, 5, strength workout exercise sets, reps, time, sit to stand squats, 3, 10, 12 reps, lunges each leg, 2, 8, 10 reps, glute bridge 3, 12, 15 reps, calf raises 2, 12, 15 reps, wall sit 2, 20, 30 seconds, day 2, 4, 6, light movement, plus recovery, gentle walking for 15, 20 minutes, light stretching or yoga, deep breathing exercises, drink more water. Day 7, rest day. Stretch lightly, let your muscles recover and grow. Start small, even 5 minutes a day is better than nothing. Don't worry about perfection, just focus on doing it regularly. Use a chair or wall if you have weak balance. Track progress in a simple notebook or phone. Celebrate small wins, like doing 1 extra squat or holding 5 seconds longer. Your legs, your power. Strong legs don't happen in one day, but with small daily effort, your life will start to change. Imagine yourself climbing stairs without pain, standing up easily, walking faster and farther, feeling confident and active. No matter your age, your body is not weak. It just needs movement and care. Your journey starts today. No gym needed, no equipment needed, just you, your home, and 5 simple exercises. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and fitness tips you can do at home.